Okay. As you know, already we are discussed about the components of a concrete. So there are different constituents, mainly cement, fine aggregate, coarse aggregate, water, and admixture, which is used to make a cement concrete.
Okay,
So water cement ratio, that is an integral part of a cement, which play important role when we are going to prepare a cement concrete mix. Okay. So water water cement ratio means what quantity of water we will use to make a concrete mix. It may be vary according to different types of construction of and different types of structural components. So we have to decide what will be the exact quantity of water cement ratio. If it is increased, then the required amount of water, it will it will reduce the strength of the concrete. If it is less than the required quantity of water, then again it will reduce the strength of the concrete. So it is mandatory. We have to use whatever quantity in exact manner after the calculation of water cement ratio as per IS standards. Okay.
okay,
So generally we are using 0.4% of is weight of the cement, 0.5%, but we have to use IS code provisions to select the water cement ratio. Either it is zero point 0.4, either it is 0.45 or zero point 0.5, whatever we are using for different constructional activity. Okay.
okay.
So is it clear what is water cement ratio?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So here you can see these are some assumption based on the different types of grade of cement. As you can see, 136, 124, 1.53, 112. So correspond these grades of cements. The water cement ratio will be 34 liter, 30 liter, 27 liter, 25 liter. So these are the based on the 50 kg of cement.
सर ये
So
एक्सक्यूज मी सर
this is
सर ये कंक्रीट रेशो क्वांटिटी जो है ना
yes.
सर ये 1:3:6 सर ये कैसे है थोड़ा बता दो
So it means ki one part, the first part is that is cement.
ओके
Three, this part is fine aggregates, and six, it is coarse aggregates.
हाँ ठीक है
Okay, fine aggregates means sand, and coarse aggregate, which is having size is equal
ओके
to 4.75 or more than 4.75 mm.
ओके
To differentiate between fine aggregate and coarse aggregate, we can use the 4.75 mm sieve. The aggregate which can pass through 4.75 mm, that is called fine aggregate, which retained on 4.75 mm sieves, that is known as a coarse aggregate.
ओके
In this part, we have to weight, or we have to select the material according to weight or volume. So in this case, as you see in this chart, we are using 50 kg of cement. Means one part is 50 kg of cement, and 3 is means 3 into 50. If
ओके
we are using 50 kg cement, then fine aggregates will be 50 into 3. It means 150 kg of fine aggregates. We will use again 6 6 into 50, 300 kg of coarse aggregates. In this way, we will calculate the quantity of different material of components.
ओके सर जो वन है वन हो गया 50 केजी सीमेंट
Yes.
और सर फिर फाइन एग्रीगेट को थ्री सर
We
50
have
को
to multiply
फाइन
by
एग्रीगेट
3.
मल्टीप्लाई करना है
Yes. If it is 112, then it will be 50 kg of
ओके
cement, 50 kg of fine aggregates, then 100 kg of coarse aggregates.
ठीक है
Okay. In this way, we will find out the exact quantity of material, but we have to do design mix of cement concrete. After design mix, we will get these ratios of cement concrete, like 1:1:2, 1:3:6, 1:4, whatever.
Okay.
Okay. So is that clear till now?
Yes, yes, sir. Yeah.
So next is slump test, which is testing of workability. So concrete should be a workable manner. It should not be set before the different parameters we will use. So as you see, we have to change change in a different shapes. So the concrete should be in a workable manner till then. Okay, so it's not to be hard before the placing of the concrete. So first of all, you should know about the workability, then we will find out the workability. Workability is the ease with which concrete can place, transport at required site. Suppose you are going to construct or casting a column.
Okay.
First of all, you should prepare a mix, concrete mix. Then we have to mix it thoroughly. Then we have to take the mix from that part up to the construction site where we are going to cast. So that distance, up to that distance, it should not be set hard. It should be in a plastic stage. Okay, so we can
Okay.
use use it as a standard manner. If it is hard, then we have to add more water, which will reduce the strength of the concrete. So that is known as a workability of concrete. Now, how we'll find out the workability, that we will cover in the slump test.